Alright, what we have here today, fresh off the bench, is a new Cobra 29 LX Max. I've seen a lot of reviews on them, some of them good, some of them bad. I think I read more good than I did bad. One complaint was how thick the cord was and how stiff it'd be in the truck when it's cold. Well, you know, y'all got heaters. It's a 6-wire, it's not your regular 4-wire cord. It's got Bluetooth and everything in it. It's got many more wires in it, so I would prefer something a little thicker. Once I warm my truck up, I know it'll loosen up, no problem. But I went inside the radio. It's the same exact thing as a classic 29 LTD, same exact 100%. And it's got some added features with the LEDs. All the LEDs are good. They're heavy duty. Everything looks great, man. I mean, I tuned it, I peaked it, I put a modulation swing kit in it. It's got a turbo echo board mounted on the inside. I like that. It comes on, Cobra 29, delayed, and then it comes on. The older, they didn't do that. You see right here is a turbo echo board. It's mounted in a Delta tune. I've also done a modification to the talkback. It works really good. You can crank it up loud, you can shut it off, you can turn it down. The turbo echo board is mounted to the chassis on the inside, nice and clean. Audio, hello, audio. It's got excellent modulation swing. It's got a capacitor resistor swing kit in it. It's swinging 20 watts. If you want to add a linear, it's ready to rock and roll. I don't care what all the reviews say. I think the radio is pretty nice, man. This is the first one that I've seen that's modified. But I've had it here on the bench all morning after I did the installations. And it works great, man. It is what it is. Makes somebody an awesome radio. It's on eBay.